Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with yesterday's big announcement that the government has given the green light for the building of a third runway at Heathrow Airport. In what businesses have labelled fantastic news and a big relief, May has faced a significant political backlash as Foreign Secretary Boris Johnson and London Mayor Sadiq Khan look to stand against the decision. The third runway is due to be completed by 2025, with the prospect of some £61 billion in economic benefits and at least 77,000 new jobs, according to government estimates. With more delays expected due to likely lawsuits, businesses have called for a swift progression of the expansion that they see as key for the creation of new air links that will drive jobs and unlock growth across the UK. In what was not just Theresa May's own cabinet that sought to criticise the Prime Minister yesterday, Bank of England Governor Mark Carney also slammed May's attacks on the bank's policies, which have consequently weakened the pound and caused investors to flee UK assets. Speaking to the Lords Economic Affairs Committee yesterday, Carney highlighted that the BOE had withstood the test of time as an independent institution, and any push for further government control would have serious repercussions across the financial markets. In what was a stern response from Carney, the Governor gave a stark warning that the PM's conduct towards the Bank of England and Brexit negotiations will have a severe knock-on effect, producing a risk premium around the UK, forcing businesses to look elsewhere for investment. In other news, Apple has announced its first year-on-year decline in revenue for over a decade as iPhone sales suffered. Revenue fell 9%, representing its third quarterly decline in a row. However, the company has announced that it expects a return to growth over the Christmas period, a time that has historically been its most lucrative for sales. Deutsche Bank's share price dropped yesterday as news emerged that the settlement of the bank's huge Department of Justice fine will be delayed. Parties had hoped to reach an agreement before the election, however, it been announced that no arrangement will be reached until January, after the new president is sworn in. In corporate news, Mercedes-Benz is to be the first German car maker to enter the pickup sector. Uber has trialled a driverless truck carrying 45,000 bottles of Budweiser over 120 miles of US highway. LG Displays said it will get a fourth quarter boost from an unnamed key customer. Amazon is increasing its delivery presence in Paris. Toyota is recalling 5.8 million cars across Japan, China and Europe due to potential airbag faults. In upcoming data, 10 AM sees the release of Italian retail sales for August. 10:30 AM, UK BBA mortgage approvals data for September is released. At 12 PM, US MBA mortgage approvals figures for October is revealed. At 2:45 PM, US market PMI for October is announced. And at 3 PM, US new homes data for September is released. Thank you for listening.